Hello friends, welcome back to another episode of How to Hack Ethical series. Today, we will learn digital forensic utilizing our Kali Linux machine. We will be using a leading forensic technology that can also recover files from formatted media drives. We will recover permanently erased or lost files today. A forensic tool called Foremost can locate missing files using their headers, footers, and internal data structures. Data may be recovered from flash drives, hard drives, pen drives, memory cards, and more using Foremost. It can retrieve picture, video, X, PDF, Office, and other types of files. It can also retrieve files produced by programs like DD, Encase, and SafeBack. For forensic purposes, such as recovering any data from a criminal's pen drive, this tool is quite useful. A command line utility called Foremost was formerly pre-installed with Kali Linux. We can also install it using the following command, sudo apt-get install foremost y. After the installation process is done, we can check the help of Foremost tool by using following command, foremost h. The following available functions from this tool. The flags are clearly visible. From our thumb drive, we will now recover data. Let's attach our pen drive to our computer. As shown in the screen below, our USB device has the following files. We can see on the screen that our 32GB thumb drive has several photographs, a video, and a PDF file. We now choose to remove each of these files. Then, as shown, we move on to the trash folder and delete those files there as well. Those files have now been permanently destroyed, or we can utilize the Shift+Delete key combination to do it. Using Foremost on Kali Linux, we are going to recover these permanently deleted files. Okay, it's time to retrieve our data that was irreversibly destroyed. By opening a terminal window and entering the following command, you can find the disk path of your pen drive and recover irrevocably lost data from it. Sudo fdiskl. We can see the output is displayed. The device name for our 32GB disk is DAV-SDB, and the primary partition of our USB flash drive is DAV-SDB1, as can be seen in the screen. The partition for memory storage is DAV-SDB1. This path, DAV-SDB1, can be copied or simply remembered. As of right now, we can simply run the following command to begin our recovery process, sudo foremost tjpg, PDF, MP4 VQI, DAV-SDB10, home, desktop, recovered. If the T parameter is not used, the program will attempt to recover all known file types, which would take a long time. It is therefore preferable to specify the file types we want to recover. We also chose the verbose mode, which will show every step of the recovery process on the screen. We select the Q option for quick mode, the I option for input devices, and the DAV-SDB1 path for our pen drive as our input device. Additionally, we selected O, which sets the output directory. Where we wish to store our recovered files is what it refers to. Here, we select the desktop's recovered folder. Sudo foremost tjpg, PDF, MP4 VQI, DAV-SDB10, home, desktop, recovered. Since the entire disk will be analyzed throughout this process, it will take some time. Smaller drives can be recovered fairly quickly. If we are recovering numerous files or we are not in speedy mode, it will also take some time. The deleted files may be difficult to recover and may even be corrupted if they are overwritten by other files. Let's take a coffee break. After the process is complete, we can see the recovered directory, and we can see that in the directory that we had successfully recovered our deleted files on this directory, as we can see in the screen. As seen in the screen up top, we were able to retrieve our erased files from the USB stick. We can use this free tool to recover data for personal purposes from other sources besides digital forensics, such as our camera memory card or other flash drives. Thus, we now know how to retrieve irreversibly lost data using First on Kali Linux. We will have access to various costly solutions for this task, but why pay for recovery tools when we already have a highly capable free tool? Hope this video is helpful. We release How to Hack episodes every week. Please subscribe and stay with us. Thank you.